Dear friends, good morning, namaskar, salam, sat sri akal. You are welcome in part 7 of the series. Before we start, let us see what we have covered in part 6. We have discussed rupees 30,000 crores special liquidity scheme for NBFCs, HFCs, MFIs. In part 7, we will discuss rupees 45,000 crores Partial Credit Guarantee Scheme 2.0 NBFCs. Before discussing, it is our duty to inform you that public sector banks had disbursed 12,200.65 crores till June 9, 2020 under the rupees 3 lakh crore Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme for MSME sector. All standard MSMEs are eligible to get collateral-free enhancement of 20% of OD/CC limits. You may apply by October 31st, 2020. Presently, there is a negative growth in 30% in exports and 51% in imports. It means MSME have 14% more opportunity to produce the goods and fill the gap. This is the right time to tap the opportunity in the background of Chinese problem. Miss Kalpana Dwivedi, one of the viewers, asked on what basis CGTMSC provide guarantee under stress units. However, I sent a reply, but a question is so important that I have decided to discuss it in my this part. CGTMSC कैसे आपको गारंटी देता है? गारंटी देता है सिर्फ कोलेट्रल के अगेंस्ट, क्योंकि बेसिक सिक्योरिटी आपकी वही रहती है जो है। अब वो कैसे कैलकुलेट करता है? मान लो आपने 1 करोड़ की मशीन खरीदी, उस 1 करोड़ की मशीन में से 20 लाख रुपए आपने मार्जिन दिया, 80 लाख रुपए आपका लोन हो गया। तो जो लोन है वो कोलेट्रल फ्री है और उस पे गारंटी फीस लेगा CGTMSC। अब क्लेम के टाइम क्या होगा? क्लेम के टाइम जो आउटस्टैंडिंग अमाउंट आपके लोन अकाउंट में होगा उसमें से जितने की मशीन बिकेगी उतना पैसा माइनस करने के बाद जो पैसा बचेगा उसका 80% CGTMSC बैंक को देगा। वो आपका क्लेम्ड अमाउंट हो गया और बैंक उसके बाद रिकवरी प्रोसेस शुरू करेगा और जितना रिकवर होता जाएगा उसका 20-80 की रेशो में CGTMSC और बैंक आपस में बांटते रहेंगे। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू इट, cost of machine minus margin money is equal to loan. On this, the amount fee is to be paid. Outstanding loan minus recovery by selling of machine is equal to recoverable amount of 80% of it will be paid by CGTMSC as claim. In the Times of India dated June 12, 2020, written by Shri Hardyal Singh, former Additional Secretary CVC as, quote, PSBs have oscillated between reckless lending and extreme caution born out of the fear psychosis of 4 C's, courts, CVC, CAG and CBI. At the moment, they are in the later phase, unquote. In this regard, we would like to inform you that we have already discussed in details about 3 C's. Here 4C is added as court. I don't think it is required to be discussed because if none of the agency prepare a case and filed in the court, the role of the court does not start, except where court has taken suo motu cognizance of the matter, which is normally done at the level of High Court or Supreme Court. Rupees 45,000 crore Partial Credit Guarantee Scheme 2.0 for NBFCs. इसका मतलब है कि स्कीम 1.0 भी होगी। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिस्कस पार्ट 1.0, द विंडो फॉर पार्शियल क्रेडिट गारंटी ऑफर्ड बाय सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट वाज ओपन फॉर 6 months और टिल द टाइम असेट्स वर्थ रुपीज 1 lakh crore वर परचेज्ड बाय द बैंक्स, whichever is earlier. NBFCs, HFCs were be eligible for the scheme if their capital risk weighted asset ratio or capital adequacy ratio is not below the regulatory norms of 15% and 12% respectively. NBFCs and HFCs have their NPA not more than 6% as on March 31st, 2019. A one-time partial credit guarantee to state-run banks for first loss of up to 10% of rupees 10,000 crores on pooled assets purchased from NBFCs or housing finance companies and microfinancing institutions. The guarantee would be provided for the total amount of rupees 1 lakh crore worth of pooled loan assets. Earlier, NBFCs, HFCs reported as SMA 1 or SMA 2 during the specified period were eligible. The SMA 1 is referred to those accounts where the principal or interest payment remains overdue between 31 to 60 days, while SMA 2 pertains to those where the overdue period is between 61 to 90 days. Earlier, entities which made a net profit in 2017 or 2018-19 were only eligible. It was issued on December 11, 2019, offering sovereign guarantee of up to 10% of the first loss to PSBs. Now in part 2, NBFCs, HFCs and MFIs with low credit rating require liquidity to do fresh to MSMEs. यहाँ 4 शब्दों का प्रयोग किया गया है: NBFCs, HFCs, MFIs and low credit rating. पहले हम इन चारों शब्दों को समझेंगे. NBFCs means non-banking finance companies. HFCs means housing finance companies. MFIs means micro financing institutions. अब हम देखेंगे कि वास्तव में ये इंस्टीट्यूशन क्या है. What are NBFCs, HFCs and MFIs? NBFCs provide banking facility and financial services, but their functioning and purpose are very different from the legal interpretation of a bank. They provide banking service such as credit facility, retirement planning, loans, stocking and investing in the market. However, they cannot take any kind of deposit from the public. What is low rating? The rating provided by the credit agency is AA अर्थात double A or low is called as low rated for NBFCs, HFCs and MFIs. Low rated non-banking finance companies, housing finance companies and microfinance institutions that were starved of cash due to credit risk aversion by investors in the wake of COVID-19 crisis. Existing PCGS scheme to be extended to cover borrowing such as primary issuance of bond, CPs अर्थात commercial papers, liability side of balance sheet of such entities, primary issues of bonds. The selling of newly issued bonds to the public constitutes the primary bond market. Most of the money received in the sale of the primary issues goes to the issuer. Commercial paper is an unsecured money market instrument issued in the form of a promissory note. While the RBI moratorium provides some relief on the asset side, it is on the liability side that sector is likely to face increasing challenges. The extension of the existing scheme will address the liability side concerns. The modified PCGS sovereign guarantee of first loss will be provided to state-owned banks for purchase of bonds or commercial papers of NBFCs, MFIs and housing finance companies. First, 20% of loss will be borne by the guarantor अर्थात Government of India. Partial credit guarantee scheme for liability 2.0 for NBFCs, MFIs for liability to be generated by issuing bonds and CPs, that is commercial papers. If loss occurred, it can be compensated up to 20% of the guarantor, that is government asset, raise loan to infrastructure. AA paper and below, including unrated paper eligible for investment, especially relevant for many FIs. Under the modified PCGS sovereign guarantee will be provided to state-owned banks for purchase of bonds or commercial papers of NBFCs, MFIs and housing finance companies having a credit rating of AA or below, including unrated paper with original maturity of up to 1 year. This scheme will result in liquidity of rupees 45,000 crores. The government announced the much awaited partial credit guarantee scheme worth rupees 45,000 crores for low rated non-banking finance companies, housing finance companies and microfinancing institutions. In part 8, we will discuss about rupees 90,000 crores liquidity injection for Discom and others. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and push bell icon to get notifications immediately after release of next video that will come on next Friday अर्थात शुक्रवार. Stay at home and stay safe. Thank you. धन्यवाद. शुक्रिया. Bye.